A clause is a group of words containing a subject and a verb. In this video, we will learn the types of clauses.
If you talk about clauses, a sentence can have one or more than one clause. Some clauses can work alone as a sentence, but some seems to be incomplete. Based upon that, we divide clauses into two types. First is main clause or independent clause. Second is subordinate clause or dependent clause. You can see an independent clause and dependent clause. If you talk about independent clause, it seems like a simple sentence. It can stand on its own as a complete sentence. Here we have one example. He wrote a letter. You can see the example. He wrote a letter. Here we can say that he wrote a letter is a clause because it has a subject which is he and it has a verb which is wrote, right? And it's independent because it can be a sentence on its own, right? It's a sentence on its own, so it's an independent clause. And next we have dependent clause or subordinate clause. It is a clause as it has a subject-verb combination, but it cannot be a sentence by itself. As you can see here that it has a subject-verb combination. Subject is they and verb is plan. But it's not a sentence on its own, or it's not a clause which stands on its own. So it's a dependent clause, right? And it cannot be a sentence by itself. So here, whatever they plan, you can see that whatever they plan is a dependent clause because it has a subject, they, and verb plan, right? So if you look at it, we can say that it's a dependent clause because it is not a complete sentence. When I say whatever they plan, you will ask, then what? So here the sentence is incomplete. This is a dependent clause. To make it a full sentence, you will have to combine it with an independent clause such as whatever they plan, I will accept that. I will accept that is an independent clause, and whatever they plan is a dependent clause. And usually dependent clause will have words like when, while, whenever, before, although, whatever, after, because of, and unless.